Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. Today with me Cikgu Sahih in English class. Our topic is sound of letters. Before we go further, let's see our objective first. In the end of the lesson, pupils can recognize the letters of the alphabet, and pupils can sound out letters of the alphabet. Success criteria: pupils are able to recognize the beginning sound of letters, and pupils are able to sound out the beginning letters of the pictures. Do you see the letters? Can you name the letters? Let's say with me. First letters. Good. And the second letters. M. Yes. And the third letters. O. Next one. D. And D. So this is letter N. M. O. G. D. So today we will learn how to sound out of these 5 letters: N, M, O, G, and D. Sound of N. How to sound letter N? Look at the picture and try do at your home. Touch the tip of your nose and say Again, touch the tip of your nose and say Good. Everyone, can you do again? And say And the sound of N is And nest. Again, nest. And also for nose. Nose. Nest. Nose. Now, let's see how to sound of letter M. How to sound letter M. Lick an ice cream and say mmm. Lick an ice cream and say mmm. Okay, can you do at your home? You make an action like you lick an ice cream and say mmm. Well done, kids. Monkey. Milk. Monkey. Milk. Excellent job. Next, how to sound D. How to sound D. Drumming action and say D, D, D. Again, drumming action and say D. Look at the picture and try do the action. You make an action like you're playing a drum, and then you say d, 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 d. Yes, d, drum, d, dog, drop, dog, drop, dog. Now we go to sound of G. How to sound letter G? You are cold, clutch your hands and shiver. Then say g, g, g. Again. You are cold, clutch your hands and shiver. Say g, g, g. Look at the boy. He clutched his hands and shiver. Then say g, g, g. Good job. G, girl. G, guitar. G, girl. G, guitar. Now our last letter for today, which is letter O. Do you know how to sound out letter O? Draw a small circle, which is anti-clockwise, in the air and say O. Again, draw a small circle, which is anti-clockwise, and say O. Look at the picture. Draw a small circle in the air and you say O. O. The shape of O seems like the sound of O. Can you do for me again? Draw a small circle in the air and say O. O, ostrich. O also for orange. Ostrich, orange. Let's practice. Can you see letters here? Which is we have N, we have O, M, another O, G, M, N, D, D, and G. I want you sound out the letters. Okay, let's try. Nice, good. Nose, well done. Another. Monkey. Milk. Then the drum. The dog. G, girl. G, guitar. O, ostrich. O, orange. Excellent job. Well done, kids. You can practice at your home. Okay. Mm. 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 O. O. G. G. D. D. Good job, guys. Okay. Okay, class. That's it for today. Thank you, and will meet again next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.